everybody, good morning. It's not a good morning. Some days I went to sit down at my new machine. My machine is fine, but I'm trying to quilt my One Block Wonder quilt. I'm just doing it in straight stitches with my nice Jazz too. But I ran out of stitching a line, and I realized I've run out of bobbin thread. No big deal. This machine, the Jazz 2, there's a funky way to thread the bobbin, which I've gotten used to. And I'm using the bobbins that came with the machine, which is something like a size 15 plastic bobbin. Now, I belong, as you know, to a Facebook group for the Jazz 2, because this machine has 50-50 reviews, as you know. I've done quite a few videos on this particular machine. I've quite like it. It's awesome. However, I've been using it since October, and everything's fine using these bobbins. I just wound this bobbin, and I'm using expensive Aaaarrrgggh thread, 50 weight Aaaarrrgggh thread, right? The bobbin just popped off, broke off, just broke off. And all that thread that I've just wound the bobbin on, not too tight, not too loose. I've wound the bobbin on this dozens of times now. Again, I said it's a little bit funky, but the operation is perfect. The tension underneath my bobbin is fine, but I'm winding it with all of that thread, and the plastic thing broke. Now, obviously what I did is I thought, well, I can't let this thread go to waste. That's a lot of thread there, and it's expensive thread. So I'll try to wind my next bobbin with this lot. So I got another bobbin out, another plastic bobbin, and I'm going to try to put this bobbin on here. Well, it pulls, but by the time I threadle it through the machine in the way that it's supposed to go to thread the bobbin, which is a little bit funky. You have to go through this one, and then you have to go through this one, and then you have to go through this case here, the actual bobbin. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, this is frustrating. I should walk away. I should just walk away. Not having a good day. Put it on there. Now let me see. Maybe it'll do it because you guys are with me. So I'm trying to wind this funky, sort of knotted up mess. Oh, hopefully it goes, because it's a lot of thread. So let me... I needed my friends. I'm going to pull my camera around and show you what is going on here. Yeah, so that bobbin had a little bit of orange thread. So this is the crazy, look at that. Crazy broken bobbin. So I'll put that like that. And then hopefully, as you see, but see, it's really knotted up there. Ah! I should have done that. Oh. Oh, it was going good, but before, oh no, see now. Oh no, now it goes, when it's going up and down, it gets, oh look, it gets stuck in that knotted mess up there. Look at that, all that wasted thread. So I'm trying to see, it goes to a certain extent, and then it goes up to there. Maybe we'll do it again. So let me just see. I'll just cut this. So this machine, you have to put it through here. I don't mind Oh no, it's real tight now. Nah, it's real taut. Oh, now it gets knotted up here. Oh, all that thread. All that thread. Yeah, it's not going. Ah, oh yeah, you see that? It's a knotted mess. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What a shame. What a shame. Anyway, that's my day. How's it going for you? Oh, how's it going for you guys? Maybe if I do it like that, that's even worse. Oh well. See, it's okay to a certain extent, and then it goes up to that up there, and it won't. It just breaks. Anyway, I hope your day's going better than mine, folks. It's a waste of thread. Anyway, have a lovely day, folks. May your bobbins be wound perfectly. Somebody said, oh, I use metal bobbins, but then you shouldn't use, you're not supposed to use metal. I don't know. I use the ones that came with the machine. I'm being obedient, but boy, that's not the first time this has ever happened to me. I must say, in my 50 years of sewing, it has happened maybe just even once or twice before. But yeah, there you go. Be careful with your plastic bobbins, folks. All right, see you later.